Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about what we offer there. This week in our online Lexical Lab language classes, we've been talking about COVID. And one of the more interesting things that came up from my students was the fact that different people they know seem to have been affected by the virus in very, very different ways, and not always in ways that you'd expect. One of my students was talking about her grandmother, who's 87, and she contracted COVID just before Christmas, and obviously my student was very worried, thinking that this could spell disaster for her. But apparently she breezed through it. You would hardly have known that she had it. She's tough as old boots, apparently, and it'll need something stronger than COVID to finally do for her. At the same time, this same student said that she had a friend in her 20s who'd also got COVID shortly before Christmas and had had it very, very badly. He'd ended up being on a ventilator in an ICU unit, an intensive care unit, and was basically lucky to survive. One of the really strange things about the virus is that there doesn't seem to be much rhyme or reason to how it affects people. Sometimes old people get it and they're fine. Sometimes young people get it and they get it really, really badly. If you say there's no rhyme or reason to something, or there doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason to something, you mean there's no logical explanation for something, that something seems rather random. In the same way, some of the restrictions that have been put into place during the pandemic also seem to be without any rhyme or reason. One of my students was saying that in her city, clubs and bars and restaurants are forced to close at 11 o'clock in the evening because apparently the virus doesn't wake up and start acting until 10 past 11 in the evening. It's completely illogical when you stop and think about it. There's no rhyme or reason to it. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, click the like button below, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that you think are without rhyme or reason.